Hello everybody and welcome to another RentalTrax how-to video training on how to use your RentalTrax inventory software management system. So if you're continuing along with the how-to videos, we're now getting into reports and what reports are available to you. So you, in the last video, learned how to access your reports. Now we're going to get into the specific reports in your system. And remember, if you haven't put any orders into your system, the reports will mean nothing to you at this point because they're all going to be blank. We've got to have some kind of information populated into the system. So if you're going through and all of your reports are coming up blank, that's usually the problem. But let's continue on. First we're going to do is use the drop-down menu for reports. And the first one we're going to look at is our order log. So we're going to go down to log and over to where it says order log. This is going to show us all of the changes that have happened to our orders within the system in chronological order. So we see when they happen on the left-hand side. So we see 1 day, 13 hours ago, this order was saved. We can see that it was the start date was changed that day as well, and all the information. We also have our action icons and our edit link. We can also then use the drop-down menu to sort by the user. So I can then select any orders created by Michael will show up in here. So we can see those things populated as well and use those tools to sort. The other log that we can check is our email log, which we will do by going down to log and over to email log. This is going to show us any of the emails, any actions for our emails within the system. So we can see that 1 month and 20 minutes ago, this email bounced. Unable to resolve Amex record for bandplace.com, server fail. We see the error that is allowed, that is given for it. We see the subject line, who was going to on the order, all of the different information. So we see all of that there as well. We see a check mark if it's delivered. And you can really track whether or not your emails are going through. So if you have a client that says, I never received your email, you can come in here and see if it was even sent, if it had a reason that it bounced back, etc. So that's all done through your email log by going to reports, log, and email log. That's it for the log reports. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 888-925-6236. That's 888-925-6236. You can always send us an email at info@rentaltrax.com, or you can check us out online at www.rentaltrax.com.